Apacor as a business has been running for 30 years now, and we manufacture medical devices for pre-analytical diagnostics for the global market. Apacor play a pivotal role in the medical industry as well as the veterinary industry. We have 11 injection moulding machines, semi-automated and automated assembly equipment, 5 different pad printing machines, all with state-of-the-art QC technology and robotics technology. When looking into optical measurement, we went to a few different companies. We approached OGP and we looked at the CNC SmartScope 200, which seemed to be perfect for our needs at the time. The main challenges we faced before purchasing the OGP machine were inconsistent measurements. Obviously from person to person with a vernier, those measurements can vary. OGP enabled us to get consistent results through those. We had trouble in measuring certain points of our components as well, internal diameters, etc., whereas the OGP allowed us to measure those accurately and quickly as well.
So the OGP machine, since we brought it in, has really improved setup time as one of the main things, which is a key driver of our business to try and improve efficiency. Now that as you can set up all of the machines on the same jigs on the footprint of the machine, press one button and you can carry on with other jobs as you're watching it. Once it's finished, you get all the reports automatically saved, whereas that might have taken an hour or 2 hours before, it can now take up to 5–10 minutes and the data is much more reliable.
Features and capabilities that we required from the OGP machine were accuracy. It's within a specific tolerance to ensure that what we were measuring was correct. You know, we're measuring within microns, so we need to ensure that we have the accuracy there to be able to feed back to tool makers in our QC department. The bed size, which is perfect size to fit all of our components. The lighting features of it as well allow you to measure diameters and measurements that you wouldn't necessarily be able to measure with vernier. What the OGP machine does is it gives us the ability to ensure that our products are of the highest quality. By bringing the OGP in-house, this allows us to meet the requirements set by our customers and the regulations that we also have to adhere to. I would say that the OGP has exceeded our requirements. We originally brought it in to measure components for new tools that we receive to ensure that they're within the toolmaker spec. We also plan to implement this into our QC department as well to quality check our components, ensuring that they're within our tolerances. Training was fantastic. 2 days worth of training where they went through how to set up a program, the general uses of the machine. Afterwards we were set up and good to go. Since then we have contacted the technical department on a few occasions just to raise a few questions and queries, and every single time they've been extremely helpful, even to the point of where we've sent samples down so they could test those samples themselves, and just to ensure that the system can measure those parts accurately. So yeah, very helpful.
My favourite part of it is the support that we get from the team at OGP, who can remote in and access and solve any issues that I've had since I've been working on it in the last 2.5 years.
I would definitely recommend OGP to other businesses for optical measurement, not just because of the quality of the machine, but the service given as well. Here at Apacor, when you're extremely busy, you've got lots of machines going, external service from varying companies is really important to us, and it's a major help, and we found that OGP's service has been fantastic so far.